Hey guys, it's your girl Urban Homemaker Mama back with another video. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. In this video, I will be unboxing our new outdoor Creole Feast fryer, so let's get to the video. Okay, so we've already used this fryer, and I love the fact that I can fry outdoors so that my house doesn't smell like grease. It has everything you need included, so I will leave the link below if you want to check it out for yourself. Also, don't forget to leave me a like below because it helps your girl out here in these YouTube streets. And please also tell a friend, share with a friend about your girl over here. I would love to have them a part of our family. Until next time, you guys be blessed. Bye.